Hi there, I am Roshan and welcome to Programming Portal. In this video, you will learn how to create a folder in Python. Suppose you are working on some project and need to create a folder at some location. You can do that with the Python built-in function from the OS module. There are two different methods for it. We will see each of them and when to use which method in this tutorial. mkdir method allows us to create a directory in the given path. There are multiple parameters, but our focus will be only on path variable. It defines location where folder has to be created. Second parameter is mode, which is the permission of the folder. Next parameter defines file descriptor. Most of the time, we work only with the path parameter. So let's switch to Python. First we import the OS module, so we can write import OS. To create a new folder, we have to specify the full path of that directory. Or if you want to create in current working directory, then just specify the folder name. So we can declare one variable, path. In this code, I will create a PyCharm folder in D drive. So I can write D : and PyCharm. So this will be the path. Next we have to just call that method. So we can write os.mkdirectory and here I can specify path. Let me show you the D drive. As you can see, there is no PyCharm folder. So let me save this and run this program. Now let us go back to D drive. Now you can see the PyCharm folder has been created. If the directory already exists, then it will raise file exist error. So let me show you. This folder is already created. I am trying to recreate the same folder. As you can see, I am getting file exist error. You can avoid such error by using try catch block. Or you can also check if a directory exists or not by using the exist method. So in this method, I am going to use try catch block. So I can write try. I can specify the code. And I can just print some message also. Folder created. And we can write except file exist error. We can print some message also. File already exists. So let me try to rerun this. Now I was able to handle the error. This method will create the given directory only, but it will not create the intermediate directory in the given path if they are not present. So let's take an example. Let me go back to D drive and let me delete this folder. Suppose we want to create a test folder inside the PyCharm folder, but PyCharm folder itself is not present. Let me show you with the example. I am going to create one more folder, new folder, inside PyCharm folder. But I have deleted this folder now. In such scenario, next method comes into play. So this method will create all missing directory in the path along with the target folder. Syntactically both are almost same except one parameter exist OK. If it is set to false, file exist error is raised if the target directory already exists. So we can check that. Let's go back to PyCharm. Now I have deleted this folder. As you can see, that folder has been deleted. So let me delete this code or let me comment this. So we will call that function. So I can write os dot make directories and I can write path. This code will first create the PyCharm folder, then it will create the new folder inside it. Instead of try catch block, I can write if not os dot path dot exist By using exist method, we can check that if that part exists or not. If it is not present, we will create the directory. Else, we can write some custom message. Print folder already exists. If you remember, we have wrote try catch block in our earlier method, but now we will use exist method. So both the way we can handle the error. It checks that if the folder is not created, then it will create the folder, otherwise it will print the error message. So let me save this. Let me show you the D drive also. No PyCharm folder is present, but we are trying to create new folder inside PyCharm which does not exist. That can be handled by make directories. Let me save this and try to run this. Let me open D drive. As you can see, PyCharm folder has been created. Inside that, new folder has been created. So first it will create PyCharm folder, then it will create new folder inside it. So by using these two methods, you can create a directory. One final tip, you can also join different paths and folders using the join method. So let me show you. Suppose I am having parent directory and I can write D drive PyCharm and let me declare new directory. Here I can specify test folder. Now I can join both of this. So I can write path os dot path dot join. First will be parent directory, second will be new directory. And if you try to print path, so let me comment this and let me run. So as you can see, okay, I just have to specify backslash. Now rerun. As you can see, both path has been joined. I hope you have learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.